Shaky. Hello, Shaky.
I think I'm going to take a day off from walking today.
Okay, I'm taping. Shake. Shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. I'm coming over here. I got this boy. I got this boy. As you can see, Shaky's doing well. Every once in a while we still see a little pop up with the allergy. We're not sure it was the Glade plugins. That's why I'm taking this video. If you can see under here, it's a little tiny pink, but it comes and it goes. And we're now trying to weed out the different kinds of foods of wellness. And we never feed them the fish flavors anyway. But we're wondering if there's a new ingredient in either Halo or Wellness. And I don't know. Don't eat strings from there. Don't do that. But he's good. You're a good boy, aren't you? Good boy? Yes. Oh, good boy. Look at you. Look at you. You're so handsome. Alright. Off the table. No on the table. Listen to that purr. Shaky.